Reggae Spice Smash Burgers. First, you're going to get some 80/20 ground beef. You need some sweet and sassy. Then you're going to get a little bit of Booyah. You can sprinkle in a little Booyah in there just to give that burger a little zing. You don't have to eat those allspice berries, you can pick them out. Make some little balls, like meatball sizes, however big you want. Now we're gonna build the burger. So we're gonna toast our buns. And then we're gonna smash our burgers on the griddle. And you can do this in a cast iron pan, on a griddle, wherever you like. Look at that sizzle. Add your jalapenos, your cheese. As soon as that cheese melts, your burger is ready. And voila! A double smash burger, courtesy of Reggae Spice.